What's up, guys? It is Rooster from the Rooster Coop, and today we're gonna play some Subway Surfers. So my brother actually played this in one time. He actually got number 3 in the world world record. I mean, North America record. It's this is a really fun game, and I like to play it sometimes when by myself. And I don't really play it. So yeah, I think this video is gonna be like a minute, or maybe like 3 minutes long. But anyway, we're playing some Subway Surfers. It's just really fun, I guess. To some people, they hate it. Some people don't like the game. I like it. I like it. It's a really cute game to me. Awesome. So basically what I'm doing now is, gosh darn it. Okay, so let's replay. I'm playing this outside, so if you hear like a bunch of wind and stuff, don't get worried. And so basically, I like this game, and my brother likes it too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and see you guys in the next video.